KFC got nothing on us. Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my kitchen as well. So today we're going to be making ugali fries. I know, corn fries, ugali fries, you name it. So first things first, we're going to be making the normal ugali or posho, whichever name you call it, and then I'll show you how we deal with that. Our main ingredients of the day is the maize flour, corn flour, water, and this. I'm going to be using the garam flour to make it a little bit golden and yeah, tasty. So this is our meal for the day. Hope you enjoy this video. If it's your first time around here, hit that subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, karibu sana. Thank you for always tuning in. And Magunami's Mawa, I haven't forgotten that today. So Magunami's Mawa, I love creating content for you. I hope you love watching them as well. And let's get straight into it. Behind me, I have beef. We're gonna be having the fries with beef. And yeah, and some kienyeji mboga. So I already have a recipe for that. You can check our previous videos. So today this is majorly what you're going to be dealing with. I've seen this on TikTok. I've seen this majorly on TikTok. It's one of the many recipes, TikTok recipes, we're going to be trying in this platform. So stay tuned, like, watch, share, subscribe, and let's get straight into the video. So first things first, I'm going to add in my water in here, have it boiling. Okay, it's already boiled, so I'm just going to add it here and then make my ugali the normal way, just normal. The flour, butter for taste, and the flour, just normal. Let's cover this up, continue cooking as we prepare the rests. We have its ingredients there. Yeah. Tafuta ugali kuka. Kwa hiyo kusema kuangalia. Nakoroga fani. Ndio nataka ugali soft. Mstari kama mtu short. Mimi tena tujue kwa jana. Sikikangi hivi. Basi sikikangi hivi. Sema yeye. Nataka kunisaidia. Mungu akuja. Sio kitu hivi. Hivyo. Niko ni yako tena report. Nani? Hivi. Ndio itanisembonyike. Hivi. Haki watu kusema hivi yote. No, but sipigangi hivi. Nakumbuka kitu mimi siwezi fanya, mimi ni mdogo. Sasa mbona siwezi fanya? Mimi ni mdogo. Utanipa once. Baby, sio sana. Ini sih dosa keluarga kita. Udah ready. Bisa kau dia once jangan lupa. Oke, bisa tu siapa? Hi, so I'm going to add some. This is garam flour. Garam or gram flour, and then I'll mix it up with some salt, just salt. Then I'll dip it in the egg. I'll use the egg as a wash. Yeah. So yeah, so I mix this up And then our ugali is almost ready, so we move to the next step. So excited. I'm so sure you guys have not seen this before. If you've seen this recipe anywhere apart from TikTok, maybe let me know in the comment section, and let me know how you like it as well. Shape your ugali into this tin. Just a portion of it. Okay, we'll just make these two for a start, so that when things go south, we still have food. Anyway, this is our result. They're looking cutesy. Number 2 is just having this into pieces. I don't know, should I give it some time to cool down? I'm going to add some salt in here. Salt to taste. You can add black pepper as well. And the egg, and then just mix it up properly. I'll be reusing this plate as well, so this is the most interesting part. I don't know, should I oil my knife to have better cuts? I oiled my knife so that I'll have better cuts, hopefully. Yeah. There we go. There we go. This is how they look like. Like that. So we'll roll this in here and then have it in the wash. I feel like I should let it cool down a little bit more. And then I do have a bit larger pieces like this. I will make them smaller. And let me start with this. So my flour is ready. I'll just add in a piece. I feel like they're a bit big, but it's okay. Something of salt. And then you put it in the wash. It's giving KFC chicken. I feel like making this fast and then we confirm how it will turn out. And let's make a few more pieces. Can't be that bad. This is the result. These are egg coated, these are not egg coated. Cooking oil is ready, and these are the pieces. You can go for smaller pieces. I went for a bit bigger sizes. I love this because you can let them dry of excessive oil from here. Look at how pretty that is. I would highly recommend smaller pieces, like fries pieces, you know. New. A quick reminder, if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, I really don't know what you're waiting for, because look at the amazing recipes we're making and we're about to go crazier and crazier and crazier. So guys, let me know what's the craziest meal you've ever made and why, and let me know what you want to see me trying next. And if you have not yet hit that subscribe button, 5 seconds for you to do that. Hit it and hit the notification bell as well, because we are growing and I want to grow together with you. And this is just the start of what I'm about to bring you guys. It's only going to get better and crazier. So be part of this team. Be part of the winning team. Be part of the explorers. Oh my god, I can already hear my taste buds complaining. I really want to try it so bad. A few more minutes, I finish this up, and then I show you how we're gonna plate it and taste it to confirm if it's really worth it. Yeah, so don't press the dial, don't go anywhere. Keep it smaller. Look at that. And then they are crusty. I mean, KFC got nothing on us. Oh my god, they're so crusty, they're lovely. Let's see how the egg ones are going to turn out. Some few more minutes, and then they're ready. So as this cooks, let me warm up my food, ready for plating. A quick reminder, if you have not yet subscribed, I am reminding you, please subscribe, share this video. We are growing, and I am in love with the kind of growth and love you're showing me, guys, on the socials, and I love it. So far so good. I like it. We are yet to do so much more. We are just getting started on the weird combinations of food. We are gonna have cravings. We have cravings that people have. We're going to have it all in this page. This is life in my 20s. It's full of exploring, trial and error. Today we're good, tomorrow we don't know. And guys, I want you guys to journey with me in this season. If you are already past your 20s, let me know what you did in your 20s you loved, what you wish you knew. And I am so excited that we have Miss Kemo, YouTuber on TikTok, and she has been enlightening us on this journey. It's just so exciting to take every step with someone who has experienced it before. At least you feel like you're having a big sister, or what should I call it? You get my point, huh? So I'm so excited to document this part of life.
So good.
Perfect. Hey guys, so today we're gonna be having ugali fries with kienyeji mboga and beef stew. The recipe for this stew is already in my YouTube channel. You can just check it. It will be pinned in the comment section. But this, my guys, is the star of the show. Try it, let me know how you like it, and if you have any other combination, let me know in the comment section. Anything you've tried, anything you've heard of, anything you've seen on TikTok. And until next time, adios.